Hello students, today we are going to begin with the next grammar chapter, that is adjective. You would have studied adjective in your previous classes also. Let's continue with this. Students, what is an adjective? An adjective is a describing word, a word that describes, which adds something to the meaning of a noun. You can say it is a describing word, or you can also say that it is a word which adds something to the meaning of a noun. So, some addition of the information is done to a noun, or and any such kind of a word which adds to the meaning of a noun is known as an adjective. For example, Ram is a smart boy. So boy is a noun, Ram is a noun. And just before the boy, what is written about, what is something that is added about the boy? That he is smart. So smart is adjective. Govind is poor but honest. What is the information about Govind here? He is poor but he is honest. So poor and honest are adjectives. America is a rich country. So what kind of a country it is? Country is noun, and just preceding the noun, the quality of this country is written, that is rich. So describing words give us more information about the noun, and thus they are known as adjectives. Now let us see the kinds of adjectives. Adjectives can be broadly categorized into 5 kinds. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, or you can say number. If it is countable, it is number. If it is uncountable, it is quantity. Demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. Let us study about each of them. Adjective of quality. We can also call it descriptive adjective. Now, adjectives which describes what kind of a person or thing is. These kind of words telling us the kind of a person and thing are called adjectives of quality. And there is an example given. Ram is a smart boy. Again, what is the quality of Ram? That he is smart. What is the quality of Govind? That he is poor but he is honest. What is the quality of America? That it is rich. Lazy students fail. Now, though lazy is not a good quality, but still it is categorized in quality. So, even bad qualities will be included in this. Qualities which are not expected of somebody is also included in this. So lazy students fail. What kind of a students they are? The quality of the student is that they are lazy. So such words which tells us the quality of a noun or describes the person or thing are called adjective of quality. Next we have adjective of quantity or number. That means these are the adjectives which tells us how many something is or how much something is. These words are called adjective of quality. Let us understand through example. Ram wants some money. So, we have seen here money is a noun, and how much money, which quantity of money? It is some money. So here the exact number we don't know, the exact amount we don't know, but the quantity has been given as some. So some becomes the adjective of quantity. It is adjective of quantity. Govind wrote many poems. Now, how many poems Govind wrote? You have to ask two questions. How many or how much? And how many poems are written? Many poems. So, many is also a quantity. So, many is adjective of quantity. There are 20 boys in the class. So, boys is noun. And how many boys are there? 20 boys. So, 20 is a number because it is a countable number here. So, again we see that it is adjective of number. There is little hope of victory. Hope is again an abstract noun. It cannot be countable, but the amount is still given, the quantity is given, that there is little hope. So this little, which is telling us the quantity, is the adjective of quantity. Remember here that their number can be definite number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 22, 100, etc. Or the quantity can be an indefinite number like few, many, much, all, etc. They can also be order: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is also, and this is what is an order, is also included in the adjective of quantity. Suppose you say, I stood first in the class. Okay, or he is the first boy to enter in the class. He is the first boy. So what kind of a boy? Boy is a noun, and the quality is, or some adjective or some extra information is that, the modification is that he is the first boy. So first here becomes the adjective of quantity or number. He is the second boy. He is the third boy. So all these words like first, second and third telling us the order are also included in adjective of quantity. Now we will discuss demonstrative adjective. We had already studied in demonstrative pronoun the words to demonstrate, that is this, that, these, those, such, etc. Here also remember these words, they are again used as demonstrative adjective. Adjectives that are used to point out specific people, point out at specific people or things are called demonstrative adjectives. So it is easy now because you have already studied the demonstrative pronoun. Who is this girl? So girl is a noun and something about this noun is given. What is that? Pointing towards the noun, this girl. Look at that monkey. Monkey is a noun and some information about that or pointing towards that or demonstrating towards that is that monkey. So that becomes demonstrative adjective. I hate such things. Things is again noun and such things, categorizing the things, giving us some information about the things, is again an adjective and it is demonstrative adjective. I want those mangoes. Those is again demonstrative because it is pointing towards the noun, that is mangoes. Try to complete the exercises that have been given after these adjectives. They are very easy to do. Interrogative adjective. Again, this is very easy to understand that interrogate. They are adjectives which are used to ask questions. So, adjectives which ask questions are called interrogative adjective, and you would very easily understand There are two examples already given in your book, and that is what and which. Let us understand it through an example. What kind of man is he? So again, what kind of man is he? So a question has been asked about a noun here. So this is an interrogative adjective because it is asking questions. Which way shall we go? So again, which way? So it is again telling us about that a question has been asked it, and it is again an interrogative adjective. Which banana do you want? So again, banana is a noun, and what is the question being asked? That is which banana. So it is an interrogative adjective. Students, we had already seen the difference between pronoun and adjective in the last session. Once you go through and revise that also. Now we come to the possessive adjective. Again, it is very easy as you have studied possessive pronouns. Adjectives which tell about the possession of a thing is called possessive adjective. See the construction of the sentence. This is my desk. So, desk is a noun, and the information about it, some modification about it is my desk. So, it is showing possession, and that is why it has become possessive adjective. If it had been a possessive pronoun, it would have been this desk is mine. And here it is, this is my desk. Then that is your book. So your and book are coming together. Book is a noun and your is showing possession. And that is why it becomes possessive adjective. In pronoun, it would have been this book is yours. I hope students that you would have been able to understand the adjectives. They are quite easy. Go through the exercises and sentences that have been given in your book, and there is a homework for you. Complete the exercises till page number 63. And then we will have a discussion in the live class.